How to make profile picture private on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now the next thing you're gonna do is to go to your profile page. Now to do that is on the upper left you will see this small icon here which is your profile. Click on that and it will lead you directly to your profile page. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is to click on your profile picture and tap on see profile picture. Now, after that, on the upper right, you will see three dots. Click on that and go to edit privacy. Now, here you can now change your settings to private to make your profile private on Facebook. So click on only me here. Once you set it there, even your friends or anyone on Facebook won't be able to see your profile anymore. Basically, it's only you who can see your profile pic. Tap on done on the upper right if you're good with that. And basically that is it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.